Hey everyone, welcome back to SamResolve. If you caught my last video, you've met DaVinci Resolve and its big picture basics. Now we're getting hands-on, setting up your first project and figuring out how to move around without getting lost. It's easier than it looks, so let's get started. All right, step 1. Starting a project. When you open Resolve, you're in the project window. Hit New Project, name it something fun like Sam's Test Run, and click create. Boom, you're in. This is your hub where everything and every edit begins. Now, before you dive too deep, let's tweak a couple of settings. Click project settings down here. No, don't panic. It's not rocket science. Just go through one by one. Okay, timeline resolution, 1080p. And then 24 frames per second for more cinematic. If 30, if you want it smooth, or maybe 60, you want it more smoother, or like more social media. 24 is enough for me. 24 frame is perfect for most stuff. Hit save and you're set. Now, navigation time. See these tabs at the bottom? They're your pages. Think of them like rooms in Resolve's house. Right here, this is the media page. This is where you grab your footage. That's me. Right here, this is the cut page for quick edits. Edit page for the real deal. That's where we're headed. Click on edit, and here's your playground. Welcome to the edit page. This is your main hangout spot. Top left here, this is the media pool. Your stash of clips and audio will be here. Bottom half, this is the timeline where you will build your video, like stacking blocks. Right here, this is your viewer. This one shows you what you're working on. And this is the inspector where you can adjust settings of the video and stuffs. Simple, right? Now, let's play around. Grab a clip from media pool and it's gonna ask you if you want to change the project frame rate. Click don't change because you want it to be what you set just now at the timeline format at 1080p, 24 frames per second. And then right here, we're gonna go back to the edit page and we're gonna drag this clip into the timeline. See how it snaps? We can click this to zoom in to the timeline. Drag here to expand it. We can hold down shift and use a mouse scroll wheel. Use a mouse scroll wheel to change the height of thumbnail and also the height of the audio waves. Hold Alt to expand it so you can see more frames in the setting in the media right here. You can nudge it left or right or stretch it out however you want it to. And yeah, so your video is taking shape already. This is where you spend most of the time, so get comfy. All right, next, layers. On the timeline, you can stack stuff like videos. You can stack them like this if you want. If you have multiple videos, you can stack them up. Or audio, you can drag your audio straight from your file to the timeline. Drop it here. It will automatically import your audio file right here and your audio right in the timeline. Or text. Go to effects, search for text, drag it in here. We can give it a basic title. We can stretch it out a little bit and let's give it a text called "Oh shit." You see this film icon? It says disable video track. So if you want to hide the effects on the same track, you just click this one and it will hide it temporarily. It's not gone. It's just that it's hidden. So when you click again, it's back here. Oh shit. It's like flipping switches. It keeps your timeline tidy when you're juggling multiple things. For example, right now I just want to hear the sound of this video.
Classic.
And I don't want this music to be playing. I can just mute track. I don't want to see this text. I can just disable video track and I can focus on my visuals. And by the way, up top right here, effects. This is your toy chest. We can click right here to expand the side view. Then we got video transitions. We got audio transitions, titles, generators, effects, open effects, filters, We got a couple of filters right here. And we got other effects that you can put in your audio. We will dig into effects later, but note this is only one click away from the edit page. It's right here. That's your basic setup and navigation crash course. Resolve's got a lot under its hood, but once you know your way around project window, timeline, edit page, and layers, you're golden. It's all about starting small and building up, chill and steady. Next time we're importing clips and audio and making sure it lands right. If you're liking this, hit subscribe and that bell. New stuff drop every week. And if you got any question, just drop a comment. Lost on settings? Want more timeline tips? I've got you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.